Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV.
Separately, the president received more solidarity over his latest resolve to implement the removal when he met with major oil marketers led by the Ogun State governor, who is also a former chairman of the Oil Marketers Association. Addressing State House correspondents, Governor Abiodun conveys the president's directive to the National Economic Council on the matter.
Mr. President has announced today that, NEC should immediately begin to sit, led by His Excellency, the Vice President, Senator Kashim Shettima, and the committee of NEC alongside, with the economic team and marketers should sit down and come up with a wholesome approach that would be beneficial to the common man and majority of Nigerians.
Consequently, the major oil marketers reveal their intervention plans.
We all collectively agree that we're going to work at providing real mass transit buses that work. The ones that will run on CNG, which is the compressed natural gas and diesel, interchangeably. And hopefully we're going to start with about 50 to 100. And that is in the very, very short term.
They're like 50-seater buses. The buses are probably at the cost of about 100 million naira each. So they are donating 100 buses, that's 10 billion, just from the marketers. By the grace of God, within the next 30 days, we are going to be launching what we call our e-mobility, which allows us to take our petrol-powered Okadas back from the riders and offer them electric motorcycles. So you will begin to see this kind of initiatives across length and breadth of the country.
Like other Nigerians, the major oil marketers have hailed the president's decision not to procrastinate the fuel subsidy removal, expressing confidence that other alternatives like the compressed natural gas, electric cars are very good, viable, sustainable means and diversification plans that can ameliorate the sufferings of many Nigerians going forward. From the presidential villa, Gloria Umezuke,